Across the board, marketing is so often the weak link in a photographer's business plan. If you don't know where your next client is coming from, chances are you don't have a marketing strategy. Because I see so many photographers who take their beautiful images and quickly and hastily just throw them up on social media and expect that to be enough to market their business. So how are we gonna fix your marketing problem? Well, we're gonna start by taking a top-down look at what it means to create a good and successful marketing plan for a photography business.
How do I tell my story through a blog post?
By creating content that's meant to answer questions, solve problems, and inspire your target market. We'll focus on how to bring inbound traffic to your website. For starters, that's what we're looking at when we talk about title, and your title is actually very important. We'll also talk about how to build outbound channels that broadcast your message to your target market. We're really focused on taking that amazing content that you produced and push it out into channels that your target market is already hanging out in. We'll look at every single one of the steps involved, including defining all the terms and getting into setting a course for your future business plan. Now, what I think we ought to dive into is a basic site audit that you can follow along with live on your own website. This course isn't about trying to figure out how to just do more marketing tasks. It's about starting over and redefining what you should be doing. Every company needs a marketing strategy to survive. Photography businesses are no different.